Good morning, guys. Here we are. I'm in a place called Snodland. That's right, you heard it right. Snodland, not Scotland. A place called Snodland. Now, this is in Kent, in Medway area. I've just finished some of my shows here locally, and I'm just going to take a look around the town and see what the delights of Snodland has to offer. So just coming up to a pub here, and it still has the decorations up here, as you can see. Just up the side there. The Monk's Head. How you doing, guys? Do you live in this town, do you?
Yeah.
Is it a cool place to live, or? Yeah. How long have you lived here for?
Yeah, we lived here 51 years, then we moved away.
Yeah.
And we came back 11 years ago, we moved back.
Anything good to see while you're here? I'm just visiting the towns.
But you've got the hills,
Yeah.
you've got the lakes.
Yeah, okay, the
You've
lakes,
got
that's
the
what I've
river.
seen as a thing to go and see. I'm going to go and check
You've
them
got
out.
the
But
lakes,
Yeah.
you've
Yeah.
got the river wall.
It's lovely in the summer walking around there.
lovely in the summer, yeah. Did you
Well-
get lots of visitors come here in the summer, or like tourists, or?
Well, not tourists, really, because there's
There's
nothing.
nothing.
And
Right.
you've got up there, you've got the
We've got the
bowls club.
community centre and there's a Snodland football club who are playing semi-professional.
Yeah,
You
It's
know.
home to us. We were born and bred,
okay.
and we've
They
lived
said,
up
what you come back here for?
Northway,
Where did you go away? I was
We went to Hertfordshire.
Sussex. Okay, I'm Seaford actually, so yeah, I'm just working locally just for the day, so I thought I'd have a little look around the town.
We used to walk
the coast.
weekends, we used to go always down the coast somewhere at the weekend.
Yeah.
Seaford, and watch the old
Everywhere.
Eastbourne.
New Haven,
Okay,
where the boats.
yeah,
But Seaford, and yeah, we used to sit
We
along
like
the front
Snodland.
and
yeah.
have a coffee along there.
Yeah.
Lovely. No, well, nice to chat to you. I'm David anyway, and I'm just having a little walk around the town. I'll
Yeah,
go up there
okay,
then, as you
mate.
said,
Have a
and
look up
thank
that.
you. Cheers, guys. Well, there you have it, people who live locally. So it's a really good town. Spoke highly of it, moved away, and then come back. How about that? Must be really a cool place to live. Well, who knows? Anyway, well, let's have a little look. Hey, are you alright? Are you alright? No, I'm just having a little look around. It's my first time in this town.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you live here, do you?
I do, yeah.
Is it a good place to live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the big problem is kids being way worse than I ever remember it at that age.
That's
But
what
other
it
than
is.
that, it's fine.
Yeah. And anything nice to see around here, or?
Um,
I've heard about the lakes to go down and see that.
Lakes, yeah, that's literally
Driving from here, is it? Yeah.
where the car is. You go up the left, and then there's like a garage. And then
Yeah.
there's like a kind of McDonald's over the other side.
Oh,
and,
there's a Macca's here, is there? Yeah.
drive-through as well.
Is that where all the kids hang around at night?
I don't know. I don't go. I don't drive, so
Yeah.
it's good. Honestly, no, there's not.
Seems a really
I
nice
wouldn't
town,
say
like
a lot-
sleep here. Yeah.
It's a nice small village, but
Yeah. Traditional British tip.
yes,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't say there's anything.
This shop here looks interesting. I'm gonna have a little check about it
Yeah,
here and
no,
have a
it's
little
been
look
here
around.
for a little while. There used to be a cafe inside.
Right.
I don't think there is anymore.
Not
Yeah,
anymore.
there's
I won't keep you. I'm David anyway.
No,
Nice to meet you. What's your
okay.
name? Have a nice day, Siobhan.
you
Take care.
too.
Hey, are you alright? This is an interesting shop, isn't it?
Have you been here before?
No, I haven't. No, I'm just visiting the town. Yeah, having a little look around.
Have you been through there yet?
No, I'll go and have a little look. Yeah.
Yes, there's 2 floors through there.
Okay. Wow.
So, yes.
Oh, yes. That's amazing.
Downstairs is the owners, and upstairs, the stairs are on the left, just past where it is at the side.
Yeah.
All different traders up there. So
Okay.
different.
Lovely. Okay, I'll take a little look around.
Yeah.
I'm just having a little look around. How you doing, guys? You're.
Snap.
Oh wait, yeah, it's the same one, is it?
I don't. It's a DJI
Pocket one,
Osmo.
exactly. So
that
yeah,
what
yeah,
you've
yeah,
got?
yeah. I'll have a little mooch
Oh,
around and
yeah.
look, because I travel all around the UK doing. I'm actually a magician, do magic
Wow.
shows. So just on 2 of them in a school,
Oh,
and I visit all around. So I just start filming some bobs
Yeah.
and eventually put it online. So yeah. What
no,
about yourself?
Yeah, no, I'm a content creator.
Yeah,
I do
okay.
TikTok.
Oh, what sort of stuff is it that you're doing?
I do all sorts of
Oh,
stuff.
yeah, right, okay,
one
yeah,
of kind.
yeah.
My name's Levi, so
Right, yeah.
that's my handle.
Yeah. So I've just today in Medway in Snodland, and then we've come across this shop. Happened to bump into this lovely young lady, and this is Levi. And your thing
Yeah.
is
I'm on TikTok, One of a Kind Levi.
Fantastic. And she's doing some really good work, and we've just happened to bump it, never met her before, and she's giving me loads of good
Talking
advice.
about our content creator cameras.
She's got the same camera as me as well, which is amazing. Well, yeah, nice to meet you
Lovely
anyway,
to
and
meet
nice to
you.
meet you, buddy. Hope you get better as well, yeah. Take care.
Take care. See you later.
So I've just come out of, I think this is like the high street area here, and it's a bit of a crossroads. All these cool old buildings, super noisy as you can hear. But yeah, it's a really cool little town actually. I'm going to stand away from the zebra crossing or else I'll annoy everybody. The Christmas store, if you could imagine, is here. See all your Christmas goods. I don't know if it's open anymore, but yeah. So I'm going to cross the road actually. In terms of towns go, this has got like quite a bit going on. It's got loads of useful shops there. What's this one? Tricky Trev's discount store. Love the name. Got Domino's Pizza just on the left. Angelina, is this what the lady was talking about? So it's a really good restaurant. Looks pretty nice in there. And apparently the museum we have is somewhere down here on the left. Maybe that's it there. The Millennium Museum. That's really cool. Okay. Excuse me guys, is there a museum somewhere along here? Millennium Museum, I want to say.
Not that I'm aware of.
ChatGPT has lied to me again. If they said it was a museum down here for this town, the Millennium Museum.
I think it's across the road
Yeah, okay.
and up a bit of
Okay,
one of the roads. I'm
Yeah,
sure.
okay. You live here locally, do you? Oh, all right, okay. Nice to meet you anyway. So I think they're having a bit of a laugh really. I suppose the Millennium Museum is supposed to be around here somewhere and I can't find it anywhere. So I'm going to probably give up in a bit, and I've seen quite a bit already around here and it's got plenty of places to go and eat. Kebab, Snodland Kebab House. And with that I'm getting a bit hungry myself, so I think I'm going to go and head and get myself a coffee and maybe have a bit of food perhaps. But yeah, that's me done I think in here. I'm going to go and check out some of the lake area, check it out, have a little look and see more of what Snodland has to offer. Right, we've just arrived at Leybourne Lakes Country Park. I'm going to get some parking. That's how I'm going to do this. Tap here to begin. Cool, we can do this. What time are we on? Right, let's have a little look. 12:40. So let's do 1 hour. Yeah. Right, I think that's gone through. Don't have any notifications. So yeah, there is cameras here. That definitely went on. It said it done, didn't it? Anyway, I've got video evidence, I suppose. Maybe it just takes a while. There we go, £1.50. All done. I was getting a bit worried then. Don't want this to cost me anymore. Drop my banana. Right, let's have a little look here. We're about to make our way onto the lake. I might get myself coffee. See what the coffee here is like. So I've just parked up on in the car park as you come in, but it turns out there's still a bit of a distance to come. So if you're in a bit of a rush, I would probably say park down this end. I've just assumed that was the calf, as you can see, but we're still not there, so I'm still driving down. Unless you can, I'm not sure, but well, here we go. You start to see the lakes there, over there. So we're getting close to it now, and this is Leybourne Lakes. Right, here we are at the cafe. I'm going to go and get myself a nice coffee. Let's do it. I have not, no, and I don't know. I might go a little bit round, but she said it's about 45 minutes to do the whole area. So, yeah, I don't know if I'll manage that myself. But yeah, but to be fair, the weather's stopped, hasn't it? So, you know, yeah, so probably should take my opportunity.
Yeah, I dare say that start raining again soon.
Yeah, just for my drive home. From yeah. Take care, guys. Bye bye. So that's me finished the coffee here. I'd probably rate this coffee, I don't know, good 6 out of 10. It was absolutely fine, and it was £3 as well, so not too bad. I'm not going to break the bank, but yeah, that's me. Had my coffee. I'm going to have a little walk around the lake and check it out. Right then, let's have a little look around the lake. I've just finished my coffee, feeling a little bit pumped up, so we're going to take a look and see around this lake. So it's winter here in the UK at the moment. We are in February and we've had a bout of terrible weather recently, but it's nice. It's not raining at the moment and it's fairly dry. But it's nice to be out there and just exploring, having a little look around and seeing this fantastic lake here. Right, I'm going to come over, I'm going to see, there's a little chair over here. So if I flip it round, I'm going to have a little, hopefully sit on this chair and have a little look out onto the lake and see what a fantastic view we have here. As you can see here, what an amazing view that is. About 45 minutes apparently to walk around the lake. Lots of dog walkers here. But yeah, that is Leybourne Lakes Country Park. Really nice park. The cafeteria there as well. When you come in, you'll be parking in this car park here, and then it's literally 3 or 4 minute walk through, and then you arrive at this area just here, and then you can walk around the lake. So there we have it, Leybourne Lakes Country Park. Beautiful. So there we have it. That is my time in Snodland here in Kent has come to an end. That's me back in the van. I'm going to be heading back now, back down south to sunny Seaford. But yeah, I thought it was really great here. Like loads of quirky little people that I've met, and the shops are pretty cool as well. Lots of takeaways, and also down here, Leybourne Lakes was really cool as well. So if you've got plenty, if you've got any dogs, you can bring them here too. Families, and a beautiful little walk. But yeah, my time here has come to an end and I'm going to head back. Thank you very much for watching this video about Snodland here in Kent. If you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. If I've missed anything as well, perhaps I never found that museum. If you know the museum and know exactly where it was, put a comment on there. And the next time I'm here, I will definitely visit it too. So thank you very much, guys. Take it easy and goodbye.